how to make soft, fluffy homemade bread that tastes amazing and fills your kitchen with the smell of fresh baking. Hi everyone, welcome back to Making Bread channel. Today, we're making a delicious homemade breakfast bread that's soft, fluffy, and perfect with butter, jam, or your favorite coffee. Here's what you'll need. 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons instant yeast, 1 cup warm milk, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 egg. Simple ingredients, amazing results. First, combine the flour, sugar, salt, and yeast in a bowl. Add the warm milk and egg, then mix everything together. Next, add the butter and knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl and cover it. Let it rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Punch down the dough and shape it into small rolls. Place them in a baking pan and let them rest for another 20 minutes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Look at this beautiful, fluffy bread. Perfect for breakfast with butter, honey,